went to go put this in the back of the truck, but it's like leaking gross water, and I don't want to get it all over everything. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. I don't know what it is. He's looking what's wrong. I didn't want to get everything all wet.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. So I'm waiting a little bit.
I'm gonna put this first one on, then two on top of it.
Yep.
One at a time.
These actually look better than I thought they would.
Okay.
The bales actually tipped over on their way down to this field, so he's gonna dump them out. So I'm an idiot, and I just flipped this almost all the way over, and it's because I like crying. Because I thought I could lift it off because the hill wasn't that bad. And I can't do it. So I just love that for me. Well guys, to top off my last incident, I stuffed the baler full. Great day. I don't know how promising it is that we're gonna get all the bales picked up before we get poured on. You guys, this is a crazy freaking day. So, as you guys know, over the summer winter, I was thinking about ordering a new truck, and I did. So, either way, I am going to pick it up today. I ordered it, February or March, and I am going to get it in September. So I am nervous, absolutely nervous, but like so excited. So you guys gotta come with me, okay? I don't know guys, it's just kind of crazy. Like I did some of my first YouTube videos in here. I drove to Nebraska with this. Like I've had this truck since I was 16. It's my first truck, and I'm like freaking out. I don't know why. This is a big purchase for me, and I'm so excited, but I've seen better days. But this is kind of our last little run through here. I'm gonna take some of these off. Just like they were always never there. I don't know if really this is gonna do anything for my trade-in value, but I'm giving it a shot. Anything I can do helps, right guys? It's my favorite sticker ever. Maybe I should try to save that one. Maybe I will. Also, a side note, where is it? Oh, we got a kitten yesterday. Hi, buddy. Look at me. She's pretty cute. But, yeah. So what actually happened is how I got this. It was actually my uncle's pickup, and then I became of age to drive, and I was looking for a pickup truck, and I love this one. It's like a pretty unique green color, and I was like, sign me up, I'll buy it from you. So then I had this one, and I kind of toyed around with the idea of selling it for the last year and a half to 2 years, probably 2 years, and buying more of like closer to my dream truck. And this truck is definitely, I would only think I would have dreamt of it. a couple years ago. I customized it myself with everything I wanted in it, the interior. So I hope I like it. Woohoo!
Big day.
A little nerve-wracking in here. We're getting closer. We've been here for
Probably 2.5 hours.
yes. 2.5 hours. But we're going to see Jason Aldean tonight. Great day.
Fantastic.
Well, here we are. Yay!
Yay.
This is so exciting. Pretty roomy in here compared to my other one. You know, and I don't even know where my green one went, but I don't really care right
I
now.
say goodbye to it for you.
And now that it's actually been a day since I've had it, I'm going to show you guys a little bit more, I guess. So this is called Baja Interior, and the outside color is stone gray. So yeah, I am loving it. We drove it to a concert last night, and I was like, I don't even want to drive it, but we hit 100 miles in one day. So here it is. It's all color matched, and yesterday was the best day of my life. Now, I love suggestions in brands that I should put on my truck. So, like a lift, tires, wheels, back rack, toolbox. What are you thinking, guys? What should I put on it? I'm already ready to give it a little upgrade. So thanks for watching, and thanks for following along with me, and I love you all. And you guys have really been on this journey with me since, you know, like a long time. Like the winter when I was debating it, and everyone was telling me not to, but I did it. So have a great day, everyone.